So, App Business Model by Gerardo Guzman and Jaime Scott.
Executive summary. What is our target customers? Well, our target customers are going to be attracting people that will be attending the FIFA World Cup 2018 in Russia. People that don't know the country and care to have a guide during their visit. How big of a problem is it? Well, it's not that big of a problem. It's not going to be a level of life and death, but this can help reduce lots of time and money during the different events of the summer. What are we currently doing to solve this problem? Well, we're using old and slow solutions such as paper maps and expensive tour guides.
The company overview. What software are we using? Swift. At the moment, we are both the co-owners, and we would like to employ two more programmers for us to have more people adding cities and entertaining places, such as more restaurants and more facilities. A brief biography of our management team is that we are passionate to create solutions for the future generations, where this will be creating easy solutions or for our problems, or this will facilitate our daily life.
Team management. Who are the ones responsible for this company? Well, me, Scott. My collaboration during this development and innovation of this application has been the creative and organizing process. Gerardo's collaboration during the development and innovation of this app has been the programming process. Market projection. Okay, so how many apps are we expect to sell at the year? Well, as many as we can, but only during the time of Russia World Cup, because it's going to be the time that Russia's going to have the most tourists. How do you plan to sustain your income? Well, we're going to spend as less money as possible to have the greatest profit. One of our greatest income is going to be having ads in this application.
The SWOT analysis. Our strengths. Our application has various features that can help tourists guide themselves through the streets of Russia. Our weaknesses. Although our application includes some places of needs during the trip, as hospitals, hotels, and restaurants, we lack of entertainment sites such as bars, nightclubs, and so. What are our opportunities? Having the FIFA World Cup so close to us can be an attraction factor for people towards the application. The threats that we have. A big issue that we can expect is for people individual app malfunctioning or having technical difficulties. Our customer acquisition strategy. The app is going to be on the App Store and the Play Store, and it's going to be all around the world for us to have the most amount of customers, and it's going to be free.
Product-driven growth. Build a referral program into your app to leverage network effects. Okay, so our application, Russia World Cup, gives you a 20% discount code at select restaurants when showing the app in the phone. This can make customers feel more attracted to our applications, looking for discounts, looking for opportunities, and so.
Our monetization strategy. Advertising. Ads are great for both the establishments and for the users of specifically this app, since the users are looking for great places and the establishments are looking to sell their products and services. So having ads will be our main source of income and money. We need funding requirements. How much money do we need? It's going to be $3,000 per month. It's going to be not. We don't need more money than that, since we're going to be investing in very little things. We'll be saying more about that in a minute. What percent of equity are you proposing to give up? 10% plus the investment. Will this be convertible note or a preferred stock? This will be a preferred stock. And how long will this money last before you need another investment round? So as I said, it's gonna be monthly, since this can change over time, but we think it's gonna be the same. It can change if we have lots of problems, but we don't think it's gonna happen.
Okay, so to all of our investors, we want all of you to know that these $3,000 are going to be used basically, well, mostly for the programmer's salary and also for computer servers in order for the application to be functioning in a more efficient way. The money that you're going to be investing maybe monthly because our programmers will have to be having their salary, and we may, the most probable thing is that the amount of money monthly is going to be decreasing because we are going to get more profit, and with that we're going to pay you.
Well, here's our app. You click your username and a password, a random password. You can look for stadiums, restaurants, hotels, and hospitals around the city of Russia. The country of Russia. When you click to the stadium, you click one, and it will show you a little map where you can move to Russia and see where it's exactly, and it has its own directions.
Okay, so here we have the restaurants that you can find in the places that you will be visiting in Russia during the World Cup. And here you can find the exact location as well. Here you go.
We soon will be getting reviews and some description of every restaurant and stadium. There's an app description, there's our objective, and about who we are. So here are little stuff that we can make it a little bit more complicated, and that's it. So that's our simulator. Here's our coding.
Now, for the investing, we are only gonna be needing like $3,000, like for the programmers of the application and for the servers that are gonna be working 24 hours every day. For the in order for the application to be functioning the entire day, for all the users and all the people that are going to be visiting Russia during the World Cup.